Most people think they're using AI well. They're not. They think asking ChatGPT a few questions makes them advanced. It doesn't. It makes them replaceable. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI isn't removing jobs. It's removing levels of human evolution. In 2026, there will only be three kinds of people: the ones AI replaces, the ones AI upgrades, and the ones who use AI to build real, revenue-producing, life-changing empires. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one you are and how to rise above 99% of people who will stay stuck. Let me give you the first psychological shift immediately. AI does not reward intelligence. AI rewards structure. Show me someone smart but chaotic, and I'll show you someone failing. Show me someone average but structured, and I'll show you someone building a one-person empire. This video will give you the ladder most people never climb. It's the ladder I wish someone gave me years ago. I'm Aiden Vale. I build one-person digital empires using AI as the core operating system. My job here is simple. I'm here to show you the exact path out of overwhelm and into leverage. Most people think the gap between them and success is more motivation, more talent, more followers, more ideas, more time. It's none of those. The real gap is level of AI usage. Right now, the entire world is split into two camps. Camp 1, AI is cool, I use it sometimes. Camp 2, AI is my second brain, my second operator, my business partner. Which camp do you think wins? Let me paint the real tension. You aren't competing with other humans anymore. You're competing with humans who are amplified by AI. Humans who execute 10 times faster. Humans who make fewer mistakes. Humans who process 100 decisions in the time it takes you to make one. And the worst part? Most people never evolve past level 1. Not because they're incapable, but because no one ever teaches them the actual ladder. Today, we fix that. Before Dubai, before the empire, before the systems, I was exactly like most people. In my old Austin apartment, I used AI like a toy. Generate ideas. Write this better. Give me a strategy. And you know what changed? Absolutely nothing. Because my identity was still consumer level. And AI does not transform consumers. AI transforms creators, operators, architects. Then Dubai happened. A small studio, a cheap desk, a laptop that overheated every night. But something internally shifted. I realized AI wasn't here to answer questions. It was here to scale identity. That's when I built my first AI-assisted system. A content engine, then another, a planning engine, a learning engine, a funnel engine. Week after week, my output exploded. My clarity sharpened. My vision expanded. My operating system evolved. The day AI stopped being a tool and became a partner, everything transformed. This ladder is the exact path I walked, and the path you're about to walk too. Today's system is simple. Once you understand it, your entire operating system changes. There are three levels of AI mastery. Level 1, consumer. Level 2, co-pilot. Level 3, co-founder. Most people stay at level 1. A few rise to level 2. Almost no one reaches level 3. But the ones who do, they build one-person empires. Let's break down the three levels in depth. Level 1, consumer. The person who uses AI passively, reactively, mindlessly. Ask random questions, copy random responses, hope for random results. It's the person who treats AI like Google with extra personality. This level creates the illusion of progress while keeping you stagnant. Signs you're stuck here. You ask AI, give me ideas, make this sound better, rewrite this caption, help me write a script. But you don't build systems, you don't create engines, you don't evolve. You ask AI for a 7-day content plan, but never build a content framework. You ask for business ideas, but never build a business model. You ask it to write an email, but don't build an email engine. You outsource thinking instead of upgrading thinking. Munger said, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Consumer level people have no systems. The consumer level is where dreams die. Busy is not progress. Level 2, co-pilot. AI becomes your execution amplifier, your speed, your structure, your clarity. This is the first level where real transformation appears. Signs you are here. You use AI to plan, draft, organize, analyze, automate, summarize, repurpose. Your output multiplies, your time expands, your overwhelm decreases. You create an AI system that turns one idea into 10 pieces of content. You use an AI workflow to generate your weekly planning. You build a Notion board powered by AI prompts. You use AI to extract learning lessons from your own mistakes. This is where average but disciplined beats talented but chaotic. Paul Graham said leverage is the cheat code of the modern world. AI is leverage incarnate. At the copilot level, AI doesn't replace you, it replaces your limitations. Level 3, Co-founder. AI becomes the second operator in your empire. You stop asking AI to do tasks. You ask AI to build systems. This is the level of the one-person empire. Your life becomes predictable, your income consistent, your decisions faster, your execution nearly automated. AI builds your content engine, your authority system, your email sequences, your automations, your funnel architecture, your audience positioning, your course outline, your community onboarding flow. AI becomes the architect, you become the visionary. Nietzsche said, "Become who you are." AI accelerates that becoming. AI is not your assistant. AI is your multiplier. Close your eyes and picture this. You wake up tomorrow and your life feels different, clearer, lighter, more intentional. Your systems run. Your content multiplies. Your business grows even when you're tired. Your identity sharpens. Your confidence rises. You feel proud, disciplined, capable, upgraded. This is not motivation. This is engineering, identity engineering. The shift from consumer to co-pilot to co-founder is the shift from fragile human to AI-powered human evolution. This is the future, and you belong in it. If you want to rise above 99% of people, inside the AI Empire Advent Calendar on School, I uploaded today's free gift, the AI Usage Ladder Cheat Sheet, from consumer to co-pilot to co-founder, plus the exact prompts to move up each level. Go unlock it now. Link in the description. It's completely free. And comment below, which level are you honestly at right now? Let's build your empire, one upgrade at a time.